Gerard Miller on YouTube. How do you clean your smalls? I'm a home brewer and use stainless conicals and wonder how the pros clean the gaskets, valve caps, etc. Do you soak, rinse, and sanitize, or do you scrub each individual part like I am doing? Thanks, Adam. I've done a few different things, and I have a cool update to the process, which I'll probably be doing a tutorial video on. But at Cartridge and a lot of other places, I would use something like a powdered brewery cleaner, PBW, PBC, comes under various names, but that's basically the idea. I think PBW comes as a liquid form now too, but basically mix hot water and a powdered caustic product like that, and I would soak my smalls in that overnight, and then come in the morning and quote do the dishes and rinse those out. I've used brute tubs. I've used 3-compartment sinks for that. So a vessel with something like a powdered brewery wash in it, and then a rinse, a thorough rinse on that, and then putting into sanitizer for a sanitizer soak before it's used in-house. Something that we have at Sonder, which is pretty awesome, we have a clean out-of-place vessel, a COP pot, and it kind of looks like a big 3-compartment sink, except there's no compartments. There is a pump on the bottom of it, and it actually leads up to 3 different ways. So one way it can just recirculate it back up to the top. So you can actually get cleaning action. You can actually get flow through there. So you can put your caustic in there, your dirty parts in there, run it. Then there's also 2 other lines that run along the side that can be valved off and just closed off. Or you can hook that up to other lines like keg lines, keg rigs, different things like that. So you can push chemical through like hose rigs, like small hose rigs, transfer, gas rigs or keg rigs, whatever. So that's cool. So you can run that, dump it, rinse it, run acid on it, spin it, dump it, rinse it, fill it with Sani, spin it, and then that's just what you're pulling your goodies out of all day. I'm going to do a special video on that though, because that's a cool thing. But yeah, that's basically what you want to do. What I'm talking about, what we're doing at Sonder is basically a souped up version of just kind of the brute tub soaking things. But yeah, it's one of the reasons why you do want to be able to get heavy soil off pretty quickly. You don't want things drying on, stuff like that. And also, if you have a conical at home, it's pretty cheap. Don't be afraid to swap out gaskets. If you have one that just looks crusty, womped, kind of like warped and smushed out, and be really careful, like examine it really closely, and like that inside portion, like bend it and like look around it, make sure it's not cracking anywhere. For the cost of a gasket, you don't want to mess with anything like that. So anyways, that's my take on cleaning smalls in the brew house.
All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching. If you feel as if you got any value out of the video, please like and subscribe. There are also other videos that you can watch. They're gonna maybe be over here or over here. Appreciate you watching.